Hi everybody, I am going to do something a little bit different in this video today because it has been over a year since anybody was able to come in here and do Pages and Play Club, and if you were all as impatient as I am for that to get started again, then you're pretty impatient. But, well, we're going to have to wait a little bit longer for that, unfortunately. But I thought today what I will do is I'm going to show you a little bit about some of the favorite items that kids like to use when they're at Pages and Play Club, and how you can make them at your own house. And then you can play with them and have fun with them until you can come back to the library and use them. Okay, so one thing that the kids really like, which I'm sure everybody who has ever raised a child could tell you, is they really like the musical instruments. Because who doesn't love to make noise, right? So, I mean, you can do things at home like bang spoons together, make noise that way. But one thing that they really like to use are the egg shakers and the maracas. And you can actually make them at home yourself with just a few items. And all you need for those is a plastic egg. You can get a bunch of, if you don't have those, you can get a bunch of them at the store for pretty cheap. And some dried beans or dried rice would work. Or probably anything that's small and round. And some tape. And then if you want to make maracas, you'll need a couple of plastic spoons. So here's what you do. You take the plastic egg and put some dried beans in it and close it up. This is the tricky part. Good practice for the kids though. You have an egg shaker. You can tape that closed if you want, or glue it closed if you want to make sure that nothing's going to fall out of there. And then if you want to go one step further and make it into a maraca, you just have to tape a plastic spoon on both sides, put some tape around the middle and then around the handles of the spoon, and you have a maraca with items that you can find in your house. Okay. And another thing that the kids really like to play with when they're at Pages and Play Club are these lacing cards, which the lacing cards and the egg shaker both are good for the fine motor skills because it works with the little muscles in the hand. It's good practice to strengthen those and help them one day hold a pencil. So if you want to make one of those at home, you can do that with just a few items. Also, you just need some cardboard, some thin cardboard, because you're going to have to punch holes in it, and a hole punch or anything that will punch holes. And if you're going to use anything other than a hole punch, make sure to be careful. You don't want to punch a hole in yourself. And then you'll need, so really all you can do is just you cut it into a shape. You can leave it rectangular, you can make it square, you can cut it into a shape, you can color on it first. Do whatever you want to your cardboard to make it into whatever shape you want for your lacing card, and then you punch some holes in it, and you don't have to sit here and watch me do that. I already did it. But right around the edge, just punch some holes. You can measure them out if you want, or you can just punch them like I did. And then all you do, once you get your holes in it, just take some yarn or some string or a shoelace and just put it through the holes. You can lace it through however you want to make a pattern. Just lace it through the edges. Do every other hole. You can just have all kinds of fun with your lacing card, and that is good practice of fine motor skills for their hands. To develop the muscles in their hands so that one day it will be easier to hold a pencil. And there's one more. This is probably the favorite. I don't know if this is absolutely the favorite thing, but it's definitely one of the favorite things that the kids like at story time, which we call Pages and Play Club. And that is the flannel board, because they love to put things on the flannel board and take things off the flannel board. And the good news is you can make one yourself at your house. You don't even have to, you can probably find one that you can buy, but you don't have to do that. You can make one yourself at your house for not a lot of money. All you need is a small size pizza box. I got this one from Casey's. I just went in and asked for them and ask them for one and make sure that it's clean. You don't want one you've used for food. But you just need a small pizza box and some felt, which is what you'll use to make your flannel board pieces. And all you have to do is glue the felt inside the box lid, and you might have to trim off a little at the bottom. Or, no, you just put it in, actually this one you can just put it in sideways, and glue it right in there, and you have a flannel board that you can use at your house. And the best part is you can store your pieces down here in the bottom part, and you don't even have to take up a lot of any more room than the size of a pizza box. And then you can have all the same kinds of fun that you can have at Pages and Play Club until we can come back and do it again. So those are the things that kids like to play with at Pages and Play Club, and that's how you can have them at your house for the cost of things you might already have around your house. So that's what I have for you today, and happy playing, and I will see you next time. Bye.